Hello everyone. Jacob Zuma's MK party recorded 1.4% votes in a by-election in Madibeng Northwest on Wednesday. This was a slight improvement on 0.78% of votes it recorded last month in Eastern Cape by-elections in two wards in Blue Crane Road Municipality and in Joe Gqabi District Municipality. Madibeng Municipality's Ward 1 remains in the hands of the governing party. The ANC won the ward with 70% of the vote, compared with the 57% it received during the 2021 municipal elections. Voter turnout was 49.99%. The last time the MK party received significant votes in by-elections was in February when it won 28% in Pongolo, Zululand and 28% in Govan Bheki municipality in Mpumalanga. The Umkhonto we Sizwe party centered its election campaign on winning a two-thirds majority when it contests elections for the first time. Since 1994, no party in its first election has attained a two-thirds majority. ANC Breakaway Congress of People COPE received 1.3 million votes in 2009, a few months after it was founded by Mosiwa Lekotla, Mbazima Shilowa and Mluleki George. In 2014, the EFF received 1.1 million votes when it contested elections for the first time. The DA contested its first national elections in 2004 and received 1.9 million votes. Zuma was ambitious that the EFF's votes, combined with the Umkhonto we Sizwe party's votes in this year's national and provincial elections, will change the voting trajectory. People have reacted on social media and one said, "By-election is never a reflection of national elections. The area is usually pro-ANC and no one should be too excited." Another one said, "Unfortunately, the people of the Northwest still believe in the ANC. The province will remain as is. Rural, Setlogolo, Ganyesa, Taung, Vryburg, Diseneng, Zeerust, all those places too rural." Another one said they anticipate a landslide victory come 29 May, a two-thirds majority they say. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.